boy. Okay. Sound check. Check, check. Cabin, napakatahimik. Ramdam mo yung lagaslas ng gulong. Pero cabin, napaka-komportable. Ano pa ba? Check natin yung sports mode, eco mode, or whatever mode. Hindi ko ma-unlock eh. So there's something na you need to go to the dealership to unlock it. So you need money to unlock it. Like a GTR, when you have a new GTR, you need to have money to unlock it. It's not like, oh, it's a racing mode and then I'm gonna use it. Yeah, you can use it, but on money wise, you need to unlock it in the dealership because no matter how you make the performance on the specs of the engineer to max out, you can max out. But in terms of the stock is always stock. So stock, in fairness, the acceleration, and it's a high speed thing. So, but it gives you smile when you drive it. Driving comfort, definitely. Cabin, noise. What else I can say about this van? They call it minivan here. So minivan. Now curious din ako from when I was first in Canada. So back in 2012. I don't know, like I can't just what do you call it? Yeah, safety first. You need to buckle up. Hopefully you can buckle up. But the thing is, I can't put my phone right here. So how I'm gonna? Right, so could be here, could be there, or maybe here. So maybe right there. So with the performance, regarding the performance and everything, when you have a performance car, going back to the GTR and everything, well, they have the name and they will not put the name onto it if something. But if you have money, it is possible. If you have money, it is possible. Okay? But the thing is, the potential out of this engineering is one of the best, because lower in the ground but you have more clearance. Lower in the ground but you have more clearance. And what else I can say about this? The assist, it perfectly working. Like now it's on assist, it's perfectly working for me. But the thing is, in regards with technology, like this particular assist, when you, let's say you want your hand to use to the other to grab something, it's perfect. But you need to pay attention so you can't sleep. You see, there's still beeping and you can't use all the way. And that's the, let's say you fall asleep and that's where you end up. See, you end up in the ditch, so you can't fall asleep, unlike whatever the other brand is. So you can't fall asleep. So around here, you see the road, if you have a perfect street, let's say you've been line and it's been kapag tinurn mo to, yan, magmamaneho siya ng mag-isa, pero in a short period of time. So that's why you can't just matutulog muna ako, petics muna ako, tulog muna ako. You can take a nap for 3 seconds. It's risky. See, it's biffing. So the engineer telling you can't fall asleep. But if you need an assistant, you can have an assistant, but in an extent you're consent that you and your car, you're still in control. That's the engineer telling you, because no matter what, the assist is always assist, right? So here we go. Now I'm in manual, so doing my steering wheel. On my other hand is my phone. I have a buckle up, I'm paying attention, all the animals, all the birds around. So yeah, there's a lot of things na pupwede at hindi pupwede, di ba? Pero yan ang pinaka the best dyan. When you unlock the potential of your car, little by little. Kasi yung they will explain to you and you get excited, and you won't absorb anything because it's like a pilot. When the pilot introduce a new airplane, they will definitely have a training to operate that machine, right? So some are they're consistent on training, some other they're have an experience every now and then continuously, some other they training on the simulator. So all these things, the same thing in a car, but in a car you're not flying. In a car you might get flying a little, like you can in a short period of time you can fly. But the thing is, wow, look at this hill, like 1 and 2. If you're in a sports car, I think you need more spoiler to pass this thing, because if you pass this thing in 200 or 300 miles an hour, or I say kilometer, right? When you have the kilometer around here, and it's not easy. You need a lot of skills to, like, even here when you fly around here, go towards in this side, so that means the engineer of this street don't like the water goes in the middle. Okay, just a brief on my resume, talking to the asphalt quality. I've been into the technical side of doing the quality. So around there, I got the figure where the calculation of every single component, even how they. So I got a little bit experience, not too much experience on it, but I tell you, I got a little bit experience on the quality of a specific asphalt. I don't know about the others concrete, but the asphalt I learned a different texture, a different temperature. So yon ang pinaka the best dyan. Alam mo ang gulong ay kapit na kapit, so that's they call traction, di ba? So yung traction na yon, it connects you. So and that's the how I explain this. only could be explained on your own word. So makapit ang gulong mo at maganda yung kondisyon ng makina, lahat-lahat ng component na gusto mo, suspension, lahat-lahat. There's a little speed of factor will affect your drivability. There's still more out, like thin of the air, or like direction of the air, temperature of the air. So a lot of component you need to. So a lot of engineers calculate these things in order to have a pristine machine going around, to be safe in the street, not into the circuit. In a circuit, that's another level. I don't know yet in that level, pero ang the best dyan is kahit hindi mo ma-experience yon, meron naman video games, okay? And that's the Gran Turismo, di ba? Mga 90s titos alam nila yan. So GT, and then now it's Forza something on what do you call it, Xbox yata yun, somewhere there. So I don't know how you, so a lot of things you can't just have it 1 2 3. That's why we have a GT 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then we have, what else we have, Xbox, Forza 3, Forza 4, something like that. I don't know yet the latest version kasi hindi na ako gamer. Kumbaga, I get more, a little bit, I say, more busier on something else. That's why less of that time. Now you see the roadside turnout, that's we go and have a rest. So we assess the car, we go around, and I will show you what the condition outside, like the tires, what's the tread, and what the stock mag wheels size and everything. So with that, we will see how this performance can like, is that a huge factor if you change into performance tires and rims? I think there is, but I never had experience to have the experience, what do you call it, so right here I say, so we get right here. All right, we stop. Okay, now we parked it. Now it's unlocked, I believe it's unlocked. So let's go around, we'll see. So perform auto off. Wow. Vehicle will automatically turn off if parked for an hour. Oh wow. So if see, after an hour you can idle more than an hour. So I think there's a reason for that, but I don't know. And one thing, the best out of this is the key. So some other they have the key and they always forget key. Me too. It's like maraming bagay. Oy, why? Why Bridgestone? Diba? Anong size nito? Check. So, this size is R18. So, kumbaga sa bold movies, di ba? Pag R18 is something na restricted, yung mga 17 years old, di ba? So, I think that's what I understand about this. So, don't get me wrong. I don't know about some R or whatever. I don't know much about tires. I never work in the no, but I don't know much about the tires, quality of the tires and everything. I don't know much about the tires, but the thing is, on my driving skills, I think this was something, because Bridgestone, wow, in a stock vehicle, the tread wear is 560, traction something, temperature is, wow, I don't know much about that. And maginaw, I feel maginaw. Hindi siya ganun kaginaw, pero pag nag-jogging ka is perfect. Pero if nasa cabin ka, napaka warm, tas may heated ano ka pa, from I think from lumbar side, meron siyang heater until probably yung likod mo it will give you a comfort on the bum. So sa buldet, sa anong Tagalog ng butt, kung puwet po, yan yung puwet. So yung puwet, di ba, gusto mong maging komportable, napakasarap ng pakiramdam. Dati nairita ako pagka I put something na heated yung seat, nairita ako. But this one, I won't get irritated. I don't know bakit kaya ganun. And then yung lights niya, well, I don't know about it's automatic. Moon or sunroof, I don't know what's the, pero yung year pala neto, kung may nagtatanong, ano kasing year to? Check natin, check natin yung year niya. Year 2000, I think 2020 something. No, 2025, 24, 25, 25 or 20, yeah, 26. 26, wala, hindi ko makita 20, 20. Toyota Motor Manufacturing. A bit chilly. Talagang malamig pang jogging talaga yung pang jogging yung temperature outside pero hindi siya ma-humid. I don't know, 2025 siguro, 2025 kasi siguro 2025. So 2025, and hybrid, wow, I'm impressed. The hybrid, from hybrid, so like the mechanic what I always pinapanood, madaming advantage itong Toyota hybrid kasi there been years of generation, first generation, second generation, third generation. I don't know what generation is this, but itong generation na to is one of the best, could be, sabi niya, it could be the best out of the best, but they're still developing what they can develop, diba? To yeah, to satisfy the customer like us. What? Oh wow, wow, you hear the exhaust? Oh, it's warm. Wow, look at this. So you can feel. Wow, that's the best. See? Yan yung tambucho. Oh. Momoist pa. Alright. So going back, I don't know how I'm gonna say. Look at the wow, what a beautiful right there. So as you notice, the wildfire before went here, tapos now it's getting back to like the trees nagkakadahon ulit. Yan, nagkakadahon na ulit. It's getting back to life. Yan. So while see the old branches, one of the old branches right there. So yeah, I don't know what more I can say. I'm impressed. Like, your money is worth buying something if you're satisfied, not only the performance but the comfort that gives you, di ba? Well, bonus yung safety, because safety is in your hands, not other. So right, doing this is one of the fulfillment, kasi hindi lahat nakakabili ng magarang sasakyan, bagong sasakyan. Pero within that extent, hindi mo sasara yung pangarap mo na hindi ka na magpursige, di ba? Ako dati, may kwento ko nung I was teenager, nagka-kotse na. Pero hindi siya ganun kaganda. Pangit na kailangan mo ng a lot of money to restore it, di ba? So with that, parang nakalimutan ko na yung first car ko. Ano kaya ang first car ko? First car ko, ang dami ko na kasi naging sasakyan. So with the sasakyan, nagbabago yan eh. From 7-year-old, oh, I like this, your dream car. And then 9-year-old, iba na naman yung dream car mo. And then a lot of dream cars. That is gradually change, and a lot of factor affecting it. Before, hatchback, sabi ko, si Big, wow. Pagka magkaganto lang ako, it's kasi that time estudyante ka, so right, and I don't know bakit nag-iiba yung ano. Kayo na lang mag tawag dito, umalam niyan, kasi ang sarap ng feeling na hindi mo mamadaliin. Yan, wag kang magmadali. Yan ang masarap na feeling. Wag kang magmadali. It takes time to have your own car. It takes time to have, wow, you hear that? Wow. So when you're in a high speed highway, and then when you hear a sports car or balik ng ganon, ang sarap ng pakiramdam, kasi you know na this highway intended for high speed, di ba? Hindi ka pupunta dito para mag jogging or something. So aside from a lot of pangarap na sasakyan, let's say gusto mo ng old school, gusto mo ng, so kanya-kanya yan, di ba? Kaya nga tayo iba-iba yung taste nung kulay, minsan yung attitude nung decals or sticker, something unique, di ba? Something unique. At least when you have this particular model at you have a uniqueness, yan ang pinaka dyan. Even a single detail out of it, it makes more sense na you put something na it's you. But now I'm thinking what I'm gonna put in here, accessories or something na it's you. It's like something will connect you with this and that. Wow, I don't know how much more I can say with in regards on flying naman, because in aviation it's more serious thing. It's more dangerous, it's more serious, it's more money, it's more, so in aviation, so yung paramotor is something you need a lot of training, a lot of license, so you need a license to fly, because if your license is more fulfilling than you get it somewhere like, oh, I got my license, but like when you have a license, like when you have first time to license as a pilot, it's fulfilling kasi achievement mo yun di ba? And one of the reason bakit ko sinasabi to, kasi apart from my blogging thing, I try to assess which more content will more helpful, di ba? Especially in courtesy in driving. Some other, they have LED and they install it and then they forget about it. Minsan they put high and then they forget about it. And that's my late father, na always something na even nasa scooter kami, he will shout, is para lang magising. Could be yung driver na nasa could be natutulog or something, I don't know, pero that's something na tinuro sa akin. Kailangan mong i-dim, yun ang tinuro ng father ko sa akin. Kailangan mong i-dim yung light mo. Pag automatic yan, i-manual nyo, di ba? Like this, I think it's automatic, pero yung high beam niya is manual pa rin. I'll show you. So now, parang naka-park light lang siya. And ngayon, so with here, oh wow, ang sarap ng feeling. Kasi amoy bago, amoy pero this, going back to the high beam, manual pa rin siya. Naka-auto ako, yan. Pero manual pa rin. Oh, I see. So naka-turn off siya ngayon. Naka-turn off. So i-on natin. Yan. Fog lights. Yun. Manual pa rin. Yan, oh. So pag towards you is dim, towards forward is high. Yan, oh. Yan, high. And then yun, when you pull it, yun, pass, di ba? When you pass, parang yung fog light is namamatay Yon. So it's automatic. So alam ng system nung ano na hindi kailangan ng headlight. So right, that path. So headlight. So from there, 'di ba? Sarap ng feeling na magmamaneho ka, komportable yung mata mo at tutok lang sa dinadaanan mo. At napakasarap ng feeling na yung kasalubong mo is old school, na warm yung light na halogen or bulb pa. Like I have the 84 track kung gusto nyo makita, papakita ko sa inyo. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman makita, wag nyo na munang panoorin. At panoorin niyo yung gusto niyo panoorin, di ba? Di ba? Ganun lang 'yon. Kumbaga, it's something na it's a 84. So matanda pa sa akin. With the particular track na nakuha ko, which is I will confirm on my lunch Monday para ano ko kung ano yung model na yung kinuha within that period, kasi existed pa yung dealership na pinangkuhanan nung may-ari nung unang-una, yung unang-unang may-ari pa nung sasakyan na na 84 na truck ko. So with that, I'm excited to know who's the first owner. I believe they can provide me that information. I don't know if they can, but it's probably confidential kasi customer yon, di ba? Pero I will ask the particular model kung ano yung kinuha ng ano na yon, nung first owner na yon, kung ano yung model, kung ano yung trim, at what extra he get when he bought it. Kumbaga, kung iba may previous yan, so mga minsan may payong, minsan may winter tire, minsan may mga ano yan saleable bonus, di ba? With the brand new thing like this. I have an extra, papakita ko lang sa iyo. Let's say open natin yung trunk, pindot lang. O ayaw. Gusto niya siguro akong bumaba. So tingnan natin yung sensor kung gumagana. Yun. So yun, kitang-kita naman kumandar. Yun. Ito yung papakita ko. So this is an extra. It's free from the sale out of this ano. So hindi ko pa ginamit. What else? Medyo maalikabok na, kailangan kong linisin na to. So yeah, that's the thing. Pagka kailangan may ano ka, sweeper. Yan. Para malinis lagi. Less alikabok, less stress. Oo. Less alikabok, less stress. Para hindi mag-malfunction yung cooling system nung baterya. Bakit? Why but yun. Oh, wow. So, irinig yan. So, with that, I don't know what to say. Ito, JBL. Oh, yan. Speaker JBL. Yeah. Speakers JBL. Tapos yung sticker dyan pa. Mga sticker na ano. Tapos yung what else this one? Uy, medyo may ano na oh. Yuck. What's this? Bagong bago pero what's this? Ayan oh. Ayan. Kailangan kung meron kang panahon At ako'y tinatamad na maglinis. Di ba? Ayan. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Ayan. Yun. Yun. Tapos pindutin lang to. Pindutin. Yun. Kitang-kita naman, oh. Wow. Yeah. I don't know what more ano ko i-feature ko dito kasi when there's a lot of small detail na like this thing. What is this for? Meron siyang function eh, but I can't figure. Siguro sa aerodynamic to, but and even the curve from here, yun yung curve naman, pati nga itong ano eh, yung fuel something eh. It's, uy, may gas-gas na. Oh no, I got scratch. May gas-gas na, oh. Ito pa yung pinaka the best dyan, yung tapos yung camera is on the backup camera. Yung tawag dito, parang may gas-gas na rin. Wow. So I don't know more. There's two thing here. I think one of the important thing. Kung kaya nga aggressive. Oo nga no. What if I make this one aggressive? Itong like aggressively maybe an inch or two. Tapos same thing pero aggressive yung ano. Wow. Pati wiper, oh. Wiper is one of the, I don't know anong brand to, pero galing eh. Panalo eh. Tapos may mga lumilipad pa na mga ibon, oh. Ayan, oh. So one got oh wow, ang galing naman. See? The group of birds flew sa south. Ito, nagstay siya dito. Isang bird nagstay, ayan, oh. Isang bird nagstay dito. Siguro, ano kayang ginagawa ng kumag na to, sinasabi sa pag-iisip niya. Hindi natin alam kung anong iniisip niya, pero binabantayan tayo or something. Pero napaka-ano yung nature. Kasi tingnan mo, lumilipad yung ano, naiwan yung isa, and then he never moved. Even make a hand signal, wala, oh. Wala rin, oh. Di gumagalaw. Andun pa rin, ah. Wow. Tingnan natin yung ano. Wala, oh. Wala. Di nagalaw eh. Wow. Well, nilalamig na ako. Kailangan ko nang umuwi. Baka mapalo ako ng misis. Kailangan at least yung feeling na may cabin ka na warm. Yan. Sa Pilipinas, hindi mo na kailangan ng ano eh. Kahit na umuulan eh, masarap pa rin yung feeling na medyo ano ka eh, may lamig ng konti sa cabin mo. Open mo lang yung window. Tapos, ayaw mong mabasa yung mga ano, magdadry din naman. Kuskusin mo lang yun. Diba? Ganyan na. Simple. Well, see you on the next thing. Possibly, kung meron tayong time ulit. Yung 84 naman ang dadalhin natin dito. Okay, pag umandar, sige, try natin. Paandarin ko. Uwi muna ako, paandarin ko. At check natin kung ano yung difference between this and that. Okay? Okay, see ya. No, mali. Ay, mali pa rin eh. Hindi pa rin yun eh. Ganda siguro. 1, 2. Yun! Oh, parang fireworks, di ba? Pag ayun, parang quitties. Quitties. Alright, so with that, ayaw muna nating pumutok yung quitties. Daming quitties ha, di ba? Pum, pum, pum. Yeah, makikita mo yan sa fireworks. Oh. Pwede mo kung mag-ano ka ng fireworks, pwede makita dito. Safe ka pa. Oh. Di ba? Wag lang bala, ligaw na bala. Pag ligaw na bala, yari ka. Didiretso yan dito. Hindi siya bulletproof. Di ba? Pero kung quitties yan at yung kawayan ay dumapo sa ano mo, safe ka. Oh, guarantee ako I put my guarantee safe ka. Oh, kasi ayan tibay nito. Kung yun lang kasi from pag lumipad yun, di ba? Tapos gaganon pa rin yun, hindi naman diretsong ganon yun. Gaganon yun, di ba? Pero kahit dumiretso pa yun, in an extent, kung siguro quality, kasi quality yan eh. Kasi may mga gumagawa ng di ba? Sa mga so with that, pagbaba nun, safe pa rin yun. Yeah, alam na mga engineers yan. Alright, so with that, see you on the next video. Pag umandar, sige. Pag hindi umandar, sorry. Next na lang. Kasi medyo malamig eh. Hindi ko rin alam tonohin dahil wala naman experience man tono ng mga ganon. Alam na, 4-banger lang dati. Ay, no. Mga tinotono ko dati, mga scooter lang eh, di ba? Yung mga 90s Dio, Jag, yan mga tinotono natin dati. Napakasarap ng feeling pag nakuha mo yung right settings, tapos na-under siya eh. Sarap ng feeling noon. Pag pinag-jack mong gano'n, hindi yung electric, yung pa-jack lang. Uy, one click. Sarap ng feeling. Umuulan man, umaaraw, umuulan. Umaaraw, umuulan. Ang buhay ay sadyang ganyan. Umaaraw, umuulan. Yun, ang sarap ng feeling na umuulan tas may chicks kang susunduin sa may SM. Oy. SM. Oh, tapos magsusundo ka. No. Huwag niyo nang gawin niyo, mag-commute na lang kayo, mas safe pa. 'Di ba? Kasi abot mo lang yung bayad. Tas yan na. May driver ka. Di ba? Sarap ng feeling may driver ka. Di ba? Hindi yung lagi kang magmamaneho. Kailangan may fun time ka pa rin sa sarili mo. Like me, for work I drive, pero it depends eh. When you drive in the work and drive buyers Sunday driving. Yeah, Sunday driving yan. Sunday driving yan. Ang sarap ng feeling ng Sunday driving. Why? Kasi sa sarili mo is fulfillment kasi yung tinrabaho mo from Monday to Friday, di ba? Nagtatrabaho ka. Tutok ka, kailangan mong ganyan, i-input lahat ng information sa computer, tapos mag-receive ka, and then kailangan mong Ang dami mong gagawin sa office, di ba? Tapos kung ano mo pa mag-ooperate ka pa ng mga machine, kailangan careful ka. Tapos naka-uniform ka para safe. Not from you, from others too, di ba? Yan, be safe. Napakasarap ng feeling na safe, di ba? Yung safe side, be on yung safe side. Gawin mong routine yung safe side. Kasi ang sarap ng feeling na hindi mo na iisipin yung safety mo, pero safe ka, di ba? Sarap ng feeling nun. Pero eto, uwi na ako. Try natin yung truck kung andar. Kung hindi, sorry, di ba? Pero kung umandar, it's a bonus. Huwag ka ma-frustrate. It's a matter of time to have that specific tune na gusto mo, di ba? Pero kung takbong pogi lang, try natin, di ba? Okay? See you. Ay, mali pa rin eh. Dito. 1, 2. Yun. Parang medyo malapit na. Ito. Try pa. Ano. Yun. Diba? Okay, see ya.